In this video, I'm going to explain what a sales funnel is and what it means to have a sales funnel that converts to customers. A sales funnel is the marketing term for the journey your potential customers go through on their way to a purchase. So you start at the top with a lot of potential customers who may have heard of your product or service before. A smaller part of that group may want to learn more, and a smaller part of that group may actually contact you. As the process goes on, you're talking to fewer people who are more interested until you end up with the people who become customers. So if you draw it, the process looks like a funnel. The first of the sales funnel stages is called the awareness level because it's where people first become aware of your product or service. That's the top of the funnel or marketing. They may hear about you from your advertising, social media, even word of mouth. How and why those people move down to the funnel depends on your own sales and marketing ability. The leads in the middle and lower sales funnel stages are those that you want to pay the most attention to because they are moved beyond awareness to interest. Now we start to see why sales funnel management matters. Even very good prospects can leak out of the sales funnel along the way if they are not nurtured carefully. The best way to prevent that loss is to have a clear idea of the steps in your sales process. Once you know your sales funnel stages, it's time to find out where you're losing your potential customers. And you should ask yourself, what are the bottlenecks in your sales process? Where do I tend to lose track of potential customers? And what are the positive trigger points, the specific actions that typically results in a sale? You should look carefully at the cracks where your chosen steps might not be working. Then get ready to fix your funnel. That takes us to the next stage. The same principle applies to our funnel or our affiliate marketing funnel. So it looks something like this. I'm going to explain everything and there are a few steps in the process. However, you don't have to have all of these steps, or sometimes you will even have more steps than represented here. Everything starts with driving traffic. So let's say you have a blog or you have a Facebook page. You have placed a link somewhere on your social media account. You either wrote a review or just made a post about a certain product. Someone comes to your blog and their Facebook page and sees it. That person will probably click on that link out of curiosity or because that person is genuinely interested in that product. When a person clicks on that link, it takes them to a landing page, or what we like to call it an opt-in or squeeze page. A landing page sometimes is known as a lead capture page, static page, or a destination page, and it's a single web page that appears in response to clicking on a search engine optimized search result, marketing promotion, marketing email, or an online advertisement. A landing page might give more information about the product or offer, or it can be a very simple and just say something in a sense. So opt in order to find out more. So basically on this page, your job is to collect leads. You can provide an incentive saying, if you opt in, so if you give me your name and email address, we're going to give you a free PDF. Or if you opt in, on the next page, you will see a free training video. So basically, you need to give something in return in order to get someone's email. Why it is important to collect leads? Well, you later can retarget those same people and remind them of your offering if they didn't buy at that specific moment. You will have a database of leads, thousands of email addresses where you can send people reminders, offer values, bonuses. In short, you get followers. Once they opt in, they will go to the next page, which is called a bridge page. On this bridge page, you can have a video of some kind where you explain more about your offering or you introduce yourself. Or maybe on this page you have a free PDF to give. The best thing once they opted in is that automatic follow-up happens. That is where you automatically send emails to people. If a person gives up on the bridge page, if they exit on this page, it doesn't matter. You have their email address and you can send daily value bonuses or incentives. All of these emails eventually lead to your sales page or the last page in the funnel. A person can give up in any step of the funnel, but once you have an email, then you can follow up with them. After a bridge page, there is a sales page where you have an image or a video again, and it explains what they get for a $50 offer or any price of your product. And of course, after a sales page, a purchase is completed. However, as we learned before, you can get hundreds of visitors but only few purchases. That is completely normal. A person might find the offer too expensive, or they are not yet ready to make a purchase. They need more convincing. And this is why you should always have an automated email list.